What's going on? It's your boy C-Trel, and today I'm gonna start a new YouTube series, and it's gonna be the small Robinhood account. Alright, so in this series, we're gonna start off with a account that is roughly $60, as you can see, but we're gonna start off with a buying power of about $26. Okay, now in this account, you can already see we got fractional share in AMC, and I just got this fractional share in Amazon because I referred my sister, and she deposited some money, so I just claimed this Amazon fractional share. All right, but in this series for today, what we're gonna look into is plays that regards earnings for the week. So as you can see in my June 6, 2022 watch list, we have these 4 stocks. All right. Now, I got these stocks from Earning Whisper. So let's go to it. All right. These are the most anticipated earnings released this week. All right. So as you can see, you know what I'm saying, we got SRAX. So SRAX is on there. All right, we got NGL on the after close. All right. We also got Torrid, which is after close on Tuesday. And the last one is CHS. CHS is, one moment, it's before open on Tuesday. So we're going to look into these earnings. And if you don't know what earnings is, it's basically when the company reports their revenue, you know what I'm saying, gross profit, etc. And based off of these earnings, their stock and their options can either go up, down, or remain the same. So the one that we're going to start with today for right now, because today we're going to try to get into one of these plays. All right, we're going to do some research, some small research to see what we can get into. All right, so go back to here. We're going to look into SRAX first. All right, SRAX. Boom. So it looks like they're going down. All right, they only got a value of 34,500. Not a lot of value, but all right. So as you can see right here, their earnings call. You can join live earnings call, and it's available on June 6th pre-market. It's June 6th right now. So let's do some research on these folks. All right. So as you can see, for the day, they down 25. For the week, they up 4. For the month, they down 22 cents. 3 months, they down 96. A year, you know what I'm saying, down $1.87. And 5, they up 2.37. All right, so let's look at the 1 year. They down, right? The 3 month, they down. The 1 month, they down. So it looks like based off of their past months that they're down. All right, this is on Robinhood, and this is on their on provided chart. All right, so now since we looked at that, what we're gonna do is look at Webull to see what information Webull has on SRAX, to see if we're trying to get in and either do a call, which means it's gonna go up, or a put, which means it's gonna go down. All right, so we're gonna go to Webull. All right, and you see I still got the same watch list that I created on Webull as I do on Robinhood. So SRAX, alright. Let's look at some information that they got. Here goes some of the options. Alright, let's look at some of the news. So it's looking like the EPS, it missed. Revenue was missed. Okay. They missed their estimate on sales. Alright, let's see. They saying by, you know what I'm saying? Alright. Okay. So that's the information on SRAX from Webull. Okay. And from the news that we just read, it looks like they missed their EPS, revenue, and their sales estimate. Okay. With that being said, they got a low volume as well. So now since we looked on there, now let's do some more information. We're going to go to Moomoo. Let's see what Moomoo got to say about them. And just in case y'all don't know what Webull and Moomoo is, they're other, you know what I'm saying, trading platforms. Just like Robinhood, where you can buy and sell stock. Same thing with Webull and on Moomoo. Alright. So, let's go to our watch list. SRAX. Let's see what information Moomoo got on these folks. Alright. Alright. So based off of all this information, right, we're going to go back to Robinhood. And what we're going to do is look at the puts that they have. So we're going to go to trade options, July 17th. Alright, these are the calls. Let's go to puts. Okay. So it looks like the $3 25 break even, but it's the $5 put. That went up almost 37% today. But this put is only $1. And it's the 2.49 break even, 2.5 put. Let's click on this right quick. So we're not going to go with this because this has no value. If there's no value, if there's no people playing in the put, don't do it because you're going to be stuck with it and you're going to be hurt because you're going to try to sell it and then it won't let you sell it. So that's them folks. Alright, let's look at NGL. Okay, for the day they up a penny. Mind you, the market just opened 20 minutes ago, so let's see for the week. For the week, barely went up. For the month, they went up 11. 3 months, they went down 35 cents. For the year, they down 55 cents. For 5 years, they down almost $11.45. Alright. Their volume is real low as well. Alright. Their EPS will be available June 6th after hours. Alright. So now since we did the research on that on Robinhood, let's go to Webull. See what they're talking about. Alright. That's the information on them. You know what I'm saying? From Webull. Now let's go to Moomoo. See what they talking about on Moomoo. Alright. Alright. So now since we did research on both, well, all three of Robinhood, Webull, and Moomoo, and I'm interested in these folks in GL, what I'm gonna do is go to TradingView and look at the chart a little more thoroughly. So what we're gonna do is this. We're on the 1 hour right now. Let's go to the day. Alright. So let's do this long ways. Alright. looking long ways. It's looking like it's been a downtrend and it's coming back up. But right now it's going down on this candle for today. Okay? So now let's do the 1 hour. Alright. On this current candle is going down. But as you can see, the volume on the last few candles, there's more green than red. Mind you, it's Monday and the market just started. So let's go to the 15-minute. Alright, it's barely moving. I guess that's called consolidation, but there's more green than red for sure. Alright, 1 second. Alright, we back on. Hold on. Alright, we back on. So boom. Now since we looked at that, NGL on Robinhood, Webull, Moomoo, and on TradingView. Let's see if we can hop into something with NGL, if it makes sense. Alright. Now, what we're going to do is go to trade options. June 17th. Okay. So, with the calls, they got a call, 2.5 call, that's $8. A $5 call, that's $1. And a 7.5 call, that's $1. Let's go to puts. Alright. Puts is a little more expensive out of our small account range. So, with that being said, if we're interested in the call, let's do this 2.5 call. Hold on, let's look at this calendar right quick. The 17th is the end of next week. So, we'll have 2 weeks to hold this to see if it, you know what I'm saying, hits our break even and make us profit with this 2.5 call. So, click it. It has a volume of 463, open interest 2,670. Alright. So let's say we was interested in this. We're going to hit buy. Look down. Alright, so the bid is 5, the ask is 10. And we playing with almost $26. So if I was interested in this, I would probably get 2 contracts. And I'm going to try to get it for $7 a piece. Right. That's $14. So the max that we could lose is $20, but the max profit is unlimited. Break even is $2.60. So if this was to move up and hit our break even at $2.60, everything after is profit. Right. So with that being said, we're gonna play this call. Alright, so let's review. Oh, order price requirement. 5-cent increments. Okay. We're not gonna do that thing because I'm not about to spend 20 on this. Alright. Let's go back. Alright. Let's look at Torrid. Toward is looking like a put so far. They got less volume than the other folks, NGL. Alright, so now we're gonna go to Webull. See what they're talking about on Webull. Alright. So now we're gonna look on Momo. Alright. So we're looking at this information. We got one more thing to do. Go to Trading View. Alright. Tour. So on a 15-minute chart, right? Y'all see that big old candle, that red candle going down? So they shot down, but now they going up though. So let's look. Okay. It's a downtrend, starting to go up a little bit, then all the way down. That's the 15-minute. Let's go to the 1 hour. Still going down. 4 hour. Still going down. And the day. Still going down. So we're gonna go back to Robinhood, and we're gonna look at what they got to offer. Trade options. All right, the calls. They got a 7.5 call for $10, and that's down 23% on the day. Let's look at the puts. They got a $28 put. Well, a $5 put, that's 28 on the price. Okay. So with this being said, I think I'd be interested in this put right here. Volume's only 22. Nah. So with that being said, y'all, we're gonna go back to NGL. We're gonna trade. Alright, y'all. We about to buy this call. This 2.5 call for $8 or 10. See what they talking about. So we're going to do 2 contracts for the ask price of 10, and that's going to be 20. So if it goes up to the 260 mark, which is 26.03%, everything after is profit. All right. So we're just going to go ahead and execute this. You know what I'm saying? Review, swipe up, boom, order filled, done. Enable option alerts for sure. Alright, so here's our option. We bought it. Average cost was 9. Current price is 8. Okay, so we down $2 right now, but we got 2 contracts. Alright, so we're gonna hold on to this, and we're gonna see what happens. I will be updating y'all on what's going on. And thank you for watching this first part of the small Robinhood account. As you can see, we just purchased a 2.5 NGL call. Alright. And like I said, thanks for watching. I will keep y'all updated on what's going on. If you like the content, you know what I'm saying, like the video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment. And until next time, y'all.